See that, guys? We got the first 12,000 on the new 6.6 GMC, and the truck just finally called for an oil change. Now, myself, I'd never let a work truck go that long on an oil change, especially not the first one. So any of you guys buying one of these, I'd strongly suggest do your first oil change before 5,000. Because here's what I noticed. We pulled the stick out and it was just barely on there. So even though the computer tells you to go that many kilometers, I strongly don't recommend it. We're going to show you how to reset the oil life light, and this is what we're going to be putting into it. Good old full synthetic Rotella. And the filter is what it is. It's just a frame. So you're gonna need 15 mil. Everything's pretty easy to get at in these. Just crawl under the passenger side, and it's right there. So I'll get under this thing, get it drained, and I'm gonna also say you're gonna need a funnel, because the way they've got these 6.6s buried in here, it's not very nice for putting the oil in. So anyhow, once we get this done, we'll show you how to reset the oil life. So now we're going to show you how to reset the oil life. Simple as that, guys. Just select your oil life spot and just hold down on your button until it says yes or no, and then hit it again for yes. Pretty straightforward. And by the way, these things hold like around 8 liters or so. So a little bit more than the old 6 liters. And always just to be safe, start it up and double check that we got no leaks. If we don't, good to go. So guys, just my 2 cents worth. If you own one of these trucks with the 6.6 gasser, I'd ignore what the dash says, and I'd probably do your oil change like between 7,000 and 8,000 if you're towing a heavy trailer. And if you're not towing and just driving the thing around practically empty or just with a bit of stuff on back, then you could probably get away with the 9,000 or 10,000 kilometers. But I don't agree with letting a work vehicle go 12,000 when it's hauling a trailer. It's got idle hours on it from the air conditioning running and stuff. So that's my 2 cents worth, and hopefully I help you guys out with your oil change. Thanks. Please subscribe.